Welcome back. Today we are moving on to our next topic, interconversion of energy. In the previous video we have discussed about what are the different forms of energy, and we have studied that what is mechanical energy, what is kinetic energy and potential energy, what are chemical energy, light energy, heat energy, sound energy, electrical energy, magnetic energy, and so on. In this video we are going to discuss about what are interconversions of energy and what are their examples. So let us get started. The process of changing energy from one form to another form is known as interconversion of energy or the transformation of energy. See, the major thing that we can say about energy are energy can neither be created nor be destroyed. We cannot create energy and we cannot destroy energy, but we can transform the energy from one form to another form. Okay, so the process of changing the energy from one form to another form is known as the interconversion of energy or the transformation of energy. So let us study or discuss more examples on the interconversion of energy. First one is that for a freely falling object, potential energy is transformed into kinetic energy. We know what is potential energy and kinetic energy. Potential energy, the energy of an object which is in rest, and the kinetic energy, the energy which is possessed by an object in motion. When we are taking a stone and we are keeping it on the top of the roof, it will possess the potential energy in that position, isn't it? When it is letting to fall freely, what happens? The potential energy gets converted to the kinetic energy, isn't it? And when it is reaching the ground, the potential energy will be zero and it is completely converted into kinetic energy. So in this situation, we can say that the potential energy is converted to the kinetic energy. And in the next example, a stretched bow and arrow has potential energy due to its special position. When the arrow is released, the potential energy is converted into kinetic energy of the arrow. As a result, the arrow moves forward. See, when the bow and arrow is stretched, it will possess the elastic potential energy due to its special position. And the arrow is released, what happened? The potential energy gets converted to the kinetic energy, and as a result the arrow moves forward. So we can say that the energy form can be transformed from one form to another. Okay, and more examples on the energy conversions are the loudspeaker, radio set, electric bell, and music system. The electrical energy is transformed into sound energy. We know electrical energy is very important in our daily life, and it is used in the various electrical appliances in our home. So the loudspeaker, radio set, electric bell, and in music system, the electrical energy is converted to the sound energy. And in the electric heater, electric iron, electric kettle, geyser, toasters, etc., the electrical energy is converted to heat energy. And in electric bulbs, tubes, CFL, and LED bulbs, the electrical energy is transformed into light energy as well as heat energy. In table fan, juicer, mixer, washing machine, and electric motor used in the various machines, electrical energy is transformed into mechanical energy. So in all these appliances, we can see that the energy form, that is the electrical energy, is converting to different forms of energy such as sound energy, heat energy, light energy, mechanical energy, and so on. So energy can be transformed from one form to another form. Next one is not only from the electrical energy but also from all the energy forms we can transform it into various forms. Next one, the thermal power plants. Thermal power plants transform heat energy into electrical energy. A nuclear power plant transforms nuclear energy into electrical energy. We know that the huge amount of electricity is produced or generated in the power stations. So in the thermal power plants, it transforms the heat energy into electrical energy. And in the nuclear power plants, it transforms the nuclear energy into electrical energy. A cell phone transforms electrical energy into sound and light energy. In microphone, the sound energy is transformed into electrical energy. And in plants, it transforms sunlight into chemical energy by the process of photosynthesis. And it is a very, very important process taking place in the plants. It is preparing their own food, isn't it? So the plants transform the sunlight into chemical energy by the process of photosynthesis. And next one, automobile engines transforms chemical energy of fuels into mechanical energy. We know that the energy that the vehicles get from the fuels, isn't it? So the automobile engines transform that particular chemical energy stored in the fuels into mechanical energy. And in the photographic camera films, the light energy is transformed into chemical energy. In television sets, electrical energy is transformed into light and sound energy. In electromagnets, electrical energy is transformed into magnetic energy. So in all these different appliances or in all these situations, we can see different energy transformations. So energy can neither be created nor be destroyed, but can be transformed from one form to another form. So children, everyone go through a textbook. There are so many examples in your textbook, and understand the concept of interconversion of energy, and keep watching. Stay safe in your home. Thank you.